stuck on your digital marketing funnel? I mean, every time you Google a variation of what is a digital marketing funnel, you get a picture that looks like this. That is a sales funnel. And even though it has a tiny bit to do with a digital marketing funnel, it is not the same thing. Watch this video to learn exactly what a digital marketing funnel is and how to implement one within the context of the digital business model. So here's the deal. There are a lot of moving parts to the digital business model. So if you're paralyzed on how to move forward, I've got you covered. I'm Kate Murray. I worked in corporate marketing for a Fortune 500 company, as well as for a digital agency in the suburbs of Philadelphia for 14 years before I started my business. I've created hundreds of WordPress websites, landing pages, digital deliveries, email nurturing sequences, SEO, and paid ads. Here's what you need to know. Digital marketing is kind of like a big golf umbrella. There are a whole bunch of different moving pieces, and they're all interconnected very intimately with one another. You've heard it before. Take what you know, package it up, and sell it online for $2,000. Use a Facebook ad, a video, an email sequence. If you're missing one piece of the puzzle, it's not going to work. It's really that simple, but it's not that simple. So here's the umbrella analogy. Think of each one of the spokes as a different piece of the digital business model. First, you need a foundation to establish some credibility, and this is your website, right? Because if something is new to you, what's the first thing you do? You Google it. So when somebody hears about your business for the first time and they Google you, what are they going to find? Your website and any articles that you publish on your blog help to educate consumers about who your business is and what problem you solve. Your blog is one of the most critical pieces of the SEO puzzle. If every article and every page on your website is properly optimized, then it has a chance to rank in the Google search. If it's not, you just won't get found organically in the search results. So what exactly is a funnel? When somebody lands on your sales page, which by the way is not just a regular website page, it's a perfectly journey mapped, copy edited, impeccably designed, written for the web, conversion optimized page with a proper call to action. Now they've entered your ecosystem and provided an opportunity for you to nurture them toward a sale, but only if you have a properly optimized and perfectly automated email nurturing campaign set up. And how are you going to get these people to your website? Well, running a paid ad campaign using Facebook or Google Ads or any other social media network can help drive visits to your website. But if you don't have a proper sales page in place or a proper digital follow-up funnel set up, then it's a waste of money to run paid ads. Here's the other thing you need to know about paid ads. There's a saying in the industry, creative without strategy is called art. Creative with strategy is called advertising. If you want to do it right and get that coveted 60 cents per click return on investment, your paid ad has to be designed to the nines, in compliance with the ad network that you're using, copywritten to provoke action, and then set up with a proper audience targeting strategy in place so that you can actually get your ad shown to the people who are likely to take action. In other words, running a successful ad campaign is a whole different piece of the puzzle. By the way, if you're actually learning something in this video, comment below with the word helpful so that I know you'd like to see more videos just like this. Finally, let's chat about software tools, because the tools that you will use to accomplish your goals are very different depending upon your industry as well as your annual revenue. So it's going to be very different from a startup company that's fully funded to a solo entrepreneur to a business that has $250,000 in annual revenue. Because you might be thinking, I don't have an email list. I have case studies, but they're not written up yet. I don't have a video for my business yet. Exactly what software should I use? And what's the difference between a sales page builder and my regular website? What about paid ads, Facebook and Google ads? I'm not a great writer. What if I can't write an email sequence? I'd rather not make phone calls. Maybe I'll buy a course or hire a freelancer. I have a better idea. I'd be happy to help you out. Start with a 1-hour consultation if you just need some guidance or have a few questions. Or I also offer a full-scale digital audit. I'll review your website, your social media, and all your digital systems and processes to identify any inefficiencies or opportunities for improvement. Then I'll give you a written step-by-step report so that you know exactly what to do next so that you can move your business forward. And hey, if you're a solo entrepreneur and you don't want to spend any money right now, make sure you click that subscribe button because I post a brand new video right here every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.